Fragile electronic equipment. This is a TRS-80 daisy wheel printer, DWP-410. It's the smaller, cheaper version of the daisy wheel 2, which was Tandy's top of the line daisy wheel printer. This one's still pretty good. Looks like it spent most of its life in the box. I'm going to show it doing a test. So I've got some paper in it. It's got a switch on the back for running a test. So we're just going to hit the power and see what it does. These weren't the fastest things in the world, but they did a pretty good job. Daisy wheels, of course, sacrifice speed for having high quality text comparable with that of a electronic typewriter in the 80s. Let's turn this noisy thing off. Okay, let's roll that out and have a look at it. Pretty good considering that that ribbon has been in there for maybe more than 2 decades. Still got some life in it, still prints pretty well. So there you have it, Tandy daisy wheel printer DWP-410. If you're interested in it, drop me a line.